faking like mag-fake tayo na English plus English na English speaking tayo. I'm gonna buy kasi $1 only yung money ko. And andyan lang yung makeup. Then magkukunyari lang tayo na English speaking tayo. Then I'm gonna buy some makeup. I told. Hi! Can I buy that makeup? And I'm gonna... This is a baby powder. I'm gonna show them, okay? Okay. I have baby powder, then the face cleaner. No. Face cleaner. If you have a makeup like that. And the tint, our lip tint or lip gloss. I have a contour here, then I have this one. And I have this, like this. Pamburagay. How much is that all? This is $100. $100. 100 pieces. English, please. $100. This is my pack. Can you pack it? I'm gonna sleep now. Can you pack it? Okay. I'm gonna sleep. Okay. Can I borrow this toy, stop toys? Okay. Mom, can I finish? Mom, I'm finished now. This is your order. Guys, this is my order. Thank you, Mom. Bye-bye. So, yan guys. Nabili ko na din. Be, manonosebleed na ako kaka-English. Be. Yan. Pang-tulog siya. Pang-ganyan.
No. Third rule. It's best not to pick plants. If everyone who lives in the hotel picks one flower, there won't be any flowers left at all.
Then, first natin, we need to pulbo. Like, don't be maarte, guys. I'm gonna
Rule number 4.
close
You
it.
can't throw
Then,
rocks
I'm
into
gonna
the
put
floor,
it
or
there.
it might get dirty and break.
Okay, Daddy, I understood.
Wait, guys. Ginanto ko siya, guys. Ganyan.
I will read them.
Last time, it's time for you go.
But I didn't finish my book.
Rule number
May
5.
nagtunta na
Can't
naman.
take things out of the hotel that are part of the hotel's property. That's property too.
Wala na akong pera, di paano ko makakadala?
No, that belongs to the hotel too.
I'm gonna
There's always a
use
few
the
free
money.
things in this. Before you
Buti
leave
may
the
nakita
hotel,
ko
make
bali,
sure you turn off
guys.
the lights and water.
Money. Bibili tayo, guys. Antayin niyo ako pag nakabili na ako.
Hotel rules.
Ayan, guys. Nabili na natin ang mga aking tali. Sa tutuwagin ko na ang aking kapatid kasi tutulungan niya ako. niya ako magtali. Hindi ko nang hahanapin yan. Sister! I buy some.
Open your mouth.
Can you help me to my... Guys, babalikan na lang namin kayo pagdatali. I'm done na, guys. So, magtitinta ko. Tatapusin ko na yung makeup bago ako mag-ano kasi low bat na ako. Tapusin ko na, tapos buburahin ko, okay? All done. na bura-burahin mo. Yan. I need this one. I gotta open it. Yan. I told you naman, di ba, kung anong laman nito. Hindi na siya pabango, hindi rin tubig. Ito. It's fresh. You're gonna put some that in that.
Can you help me with my luggage?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ayan na, ayan yung kanaganda.
What's that one?
The line is not working.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Then, I need more. Ayan nga nga.
Yes. Master? What's happened, Master?
The TV doesn't work.
Iba na to,